Hello everyone, welcome to my another video tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a React application and deploy a production build to Heroku server. So first of all, you have to install Node.js, which is JavaScript runtime environment. So just download the latest version and install it. Now we are going to create our first React application. So here I already create a project folder. Just navigate it to the terminal npx create react app. Here npx is a package runner tools which execute a package, and create react app is a package which will create our react application. So name your application here, just for example test. So you can see it is installing our React application. So here we can see our application is created. So now going to the project folder, and this is our all project files, and go to the package.json file. Here you can see it is added some script which will needed for our development. So go to terminal and run this command npm start. npm is a package manager for Node.js application, and here we can see in under script object here start command which will run our development server through React scripts. So just type and enter it, and it will start our development server in localhost 3000 port. So we are successfully created our React application. Now we have to deploy it to Heroku server. Then we have to create a free account in Heroku. So I already register here. After registering, you will have a dashboard like this. Then you have to install Heroku CLI, which is a command line interface for Heroku. Just install it from here according to your OS version. So I also already installed it, so no need to install. Then go to your dashboard and create application. For example, test deploy. It is available here, React, and this is available. Then create app, and here we can see there are some instructions to deploy our project to the server. So first of all, you have to log in to your Heroku account. So just Heroku Login. So it will now open your app browser, and you have to log in there. So just log in, and we can see logged in. Now close this and go to your terminal. For this, just delete this yarn.log file. We don't need to have two package manager. We since we have used npm package manager. So here first of all add all files to to your Git repository. For example, git add all, git commit -m deploy create react and deploy. Now we have to build our project and to a production build. For example, for this just type npm run build. So here you can see a new build folder is created. So we don't need to add our build folder. Then push the repository to your Heroku and type Heroku git remote -a and your app's name, which is test deploy react. So here you can set it is now remote to Heroku server and git push Heroku. Before that, I forgot a very important things, which is we have to configure our server.js file. Just create a server.js file and saved it with this code, exactly this code. Now go to your package.json and add a new script and named it with start, and now it will run our server.js file to start our server, and just rename it react. Saved it, and we can see it us git add all, git commit now push your updated repository to Heroku server. Git push Heroku master. Sorry, I have to build the production at first. Npm run build. Now check the, so you can see everything is tracked, and now git push Heroku master, and it will pushes our repository to Heroku and setting up a live server for our website. So just wait a few minutes. So here you can see our website is now deployed to Heroku, and just go to this link or just type Heroku open. There are some application error, so let's find the error and fix that. You have to install and express favicon and path to our project. So just add that npm install express favicon path express. So you can see our all packages are installed now. Now add this file, So here you can say our website is now deployed to Heroku server, and just follow this link. Application is live now with this URL, and it is accessible from anywhere in the world. So thank you for watching my video.